Hi guys, in this one I'm going to be showing you how to change your number on your WhatsApp account. So let's get started. First, we're going to start off by going to our settings. We're going to do that by clicking on the icon in the bottom right corner. It's going to take us here. So next we're going to select account. And as you can see, the third option we have here is change number. So we're going to go ahead and tap on that. Now we're going to click on next. Now you're going to enter your old phone number, for example, 123456. Next, you're going to enter your new phone number, so 456789, and you're going to click on next. So you can pick whether you want to notify your contacts or you don't want to notify them that you're changing your number. And whether you want to notify them, you're going to tap on this and turn it on, and you can select whether you want to notify all of your contacts that you have chats with, or custom. So you can pick which contacts you want to notify. And after you're done selecting this, you're going to click on done. And that's how it's done. Thank you for watching. Do click the like button if this video helped you and subscribe to our channel for more helpful videos. Bye!